video how to load a dishwasher. You think people know how to do it, but a lot of people don't. A lot of people don't. You gotta keep your dishes spread apart. Okay, so try to keep your plates in one spot. Okay, just spread them apart. Your forks, normally they come in individual holders for your silverware, but if not, try to keep them spread apart. Keep everything spread apart so it can get washed. Okay. On your top, you can put your larger silverware on top. You can lay them flat in the middle. That seems to work out right. Your cups, okay. Don't pile stuff on top of one another. Like, you may be able to get away with this, but you don't want to just keep piling stuff. Like, this can possibly go there, but try not to spread. Put things on top of one another, okay? Like this, okay? Keep it apart, okay? And for your bigger items, what you can't wash, just wash them by hand. They're big, they should be easy to wash.